Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, Sports Card Collectors Club, and this is VeeFriends, pack opening number 13. We got one pack of 2026 Topps Chrome Series 2. Let's rip. Authentic Anaconda, Monday Mole, Kind Warrior, Knowing Gnome, Productive Puffin. Today's lesson, do what makes you happy. Productive Puffin teaches that the best kind of getting things done is choosing activities you enjoy. When you start with something that makes you smile, the next steps feel easier and way more fun. Yeah, I agree. Hold on. Sharing Squirrel and Empathy Elephant. Yep, that one goes into the gallery. That's a win. You guys take care. God bless.